In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on two-factor authentication for Facebook Business Manager. Ensuring the security of your Facebook Business Manager account is crucial, and enabling two-factor authentication is one of the most effective steps you can take to protect it. This simple yet powerful feature adds an extra layer of security, safeguarding your business data from unauthorized access. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, we're going to access your Facebook Business Manager account. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Once there, navigate to business.facebook.com and log in with your credentials. It's important to make sure that you're using the correct account that has the administrative access, as this setting requires administrative privileges. After successfully logging in, you will land on the Business Manager homepage, which acts as your hub for all business-related activities on Facebook. Next, let's locate the settings area. In the top right corner of the page, you'll find the gear icon. This is the gateway to your business settings. Click on it, and you will be directed to the Settings section, a comprehensive dashboard where you control various aspects of your business account. Look on the left-hand side of the page for the navigation menu. You'll see several options here, but we're interested in Business Info. Click on it to continue. Within the Business Info section, it's time to focus on the security settings. Scan the options presented here until you find Two-Factor Authentication. Clicking on it will open a dedicated page for managing your two-factor authentication preferences. This is the feature that will provide the added security, giving you peace of mind that your account is protected. To turn on two-factor authentication, you will need to follow the prompts provided on the screen. Typically, you will offer an additional method of verification, such as a mobile phone number or an authentication app. Choose your preferred method. If using a mobile number, enter it carefully to ensure correctness, as this will be essential for receiving your security codes. Alternatively, if using an authentication app, follow the instructions to scan the QR code provided, or input the manual key to sync the app. To complete the process, Facebook will likely require you to verify your choice by sending a test verification code to your selected method. Enter this code where prompted to confirm the setup. Once you have successfully completed this step, two-factor authentication will be activated for your account. To enhance your security even further, it's advisable to periodically review your methods and ensure your contact information is up to date. Now, with two-factor authentication enabled, your Facebook Business Manager account is much more secure against unauthorized access. Remember, this extra security measure helps protect not just your business, but also your clients' and customers' information, all of which are valuable assets. Thanks for watching, and make sure to keep your business safe by staying informed about the latest in digital security practices.